Alright guys, meet the NutriChef 18-piece ceramic cookware set designed to make your kitchen life easier. What I like about this is the handle is detachable. This fits all pots and pan without problem. So storing them is so easy, no more bulky handle taking up space. Just press this button, you're good to go. And this is lightweight. So this pan actually fits my cabinet and dishwasher, so this is space saving. And also the cover are versatile too. This fits multiple sizes for added convenience. And the non-stick ceramic coating makes cooking and cleaning easy. And the design, it's elegant, looks great in my kitchen. So this is a perfect gift, but honestly, you might just want to keep it for yourself because this is really good. Anyway, I hope you guys find this review helpful. Have a good night and stay safe.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I bought this from Amazon. As you can see, it's come the two handle and from one this, and one spoon shape and two head and three like this pot and two for the flat. Like totally, yeah, I can say it has a good quality, but size is small. My actual size is like this. It's come in the 3 sets, whatever the brand, but this one is from the, it's small. As you can see, probably it's not good option for the for family with more than 2 or 3 person, because it's not covered. Definitely it's not covered. Maybe good for 2-member family, but it has a good quality. Thank you for watching. Bye.
It's a really nice pot and pan set made by NutriChef. It even comes with some utensils. Comes with 2 of these handles that can be attached to them, which is really nice because I did have a previous one that only came with 1. So if you're already using a pot with one of these, it's not like you have to remove it and put it on the other one. But it comes with a couple of lids, 2 and then 2 of these pots, and then frying pans. You just have to squeeze it pretty good and then it clicks, and then you can do it. And I really like that it, with these handles, it's space saving. So when you put it away, these aren't sticking out and you could just put them away and you're good to go.